hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. I'm Sumanam Swarna. We were discussing about the squares and square roots lesson, isn't it? And we were discussing about the worksheet 3. So in worksheet 3, we have understood about the prime factorization method to find the square roots. Now the word problem, question number 7. The area of the square field is 5184 meters square. A rectangular field whose length is twice its breadth has its perimeter equal to the perimeter of the square field. Now find the area of the rectangular field. So question को understand करो. There is a square field and there is a rectangular field. Okay, and the area of the square field is given. The rectangle, the breadth and length. It is not given, but they have given the relationship between the two. And they have told the perimeter of square field is equal to the perimeter of the rectangular field. And they have asked to find out the area of the rectangle. Okay, rectangular field. Now, we'll write side by side the two, isn't it? First, it is a square field. And here, it is a rectangular field. Now, what all are given? First, here it is given area. Area of the rectangular field is given as 5184 meters square. Here they have told the length is twice its breadth. Means breadth is equal to x meter. Then length will be 2x twice. Isn't it? 2x meter. Now next step they have told perimeter is equal to the perimeter. Perimeter of square field is equal to perimeter of the rectangular field. But to find out the perimeter, area is given. To find out the perimeter, what do you need? Side. Isn't it? So first find out the side of the square field. So, side of the square field. What is the formula? Square root of area. Yes or no? Area is equal to side into side. That means side is equal to square root of area. So, square root of area is square root of 5184. Now, find out the square root of 5184. Okay, we'll do here 5184. 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 5s are 10, 1 remains, 9s are 18, 2s are 4. Again 2, 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 2 9s are 18, 1 remains, 6 are 12. Again 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 1 remains, 2 8s are 16. 2, 3s are 6, 2s are 4, 4s are 8. Again 2, 1s are 2, 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. Again 2, 8s are 6, 1s are 2. Now it is 3. 8 plus 1, 9. 3, 2s are 6, 2 remains, 7s are 3, 9s are 3, 3s are 3, 1s are. So you got, it is 5184 can be written as 2 square, 2 square, 2 square 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, and 3 square 2 times. Now square root of 5184 is equal to 1, 2, 3 times. Now when you multiply, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 8 9s are 72. So side is equal to 72 meter. Understood everyone? So first from the area find out the side. Side is equal to square root of area. By prime factorization method find out the side. Now they have told perimeter of the square field is equal to the perimeter of the rectangular field. So here you have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter of square. What is the formula? 4 into side, isn't it? Therefore, 4 into 72 is equal to 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28. So, you got the perimeter of the square field. Now, take this to the rectangular. So, perimeter of rectangular field you got it to be 288 meter. Now what is the formula? Perimeter of rectangle. Find out x now. Perimeter of rectangle. Formula is what? 2 into length plus breadth. Yes or no? So perimeter you got 288. 2 into length is how much? 2x plus breadth is x. So 288, when it comes to the left side it will be divided, and 2x plus x is 3x. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. So you got 3x is equal to 144. So x is equal to 144 upon 3. 3 4s are 12. 2 remains. 3 8s are 24. So x is equal to 48. Okay. Now x is what? Breadth. So breadth is equal to 48 and length is equal to 2x. Means 2 into 48. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8, 9. So you got 48 meter and 96 meter. Now find out area. Area of a rectangle field is equal to length into breadth. Now length is how much? 96. Breadth is 48. When you multiply, you will get 4608 meters square. Just multiply 96 and 48, you will get 4608 meter square. Okay. So the final answer, area of rectangular field is 4608 meters square. Little bit big sum, but understand and write. Okay. So it is two sets are there. First it is the square field, second is the rectangular field. They have given the area of the square field, but they have given the length and breadth to be, length is twice the breadth. So if you take breadth as x, the length will be 2x. Relation between the square field and the rectangular field is the perimeter of the square field is equal to the perimeter of the rectangular field. For that, first you find out the side of the square field, then find out the perimeter of the square field, and then put it, the perimeter of the rectangular field is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So find out x, find out the length, find out breadth, then find out the area. सबको समझ में आया ना? तो पहले स्क्वायर फील्ड का एरिया दिया है, उससे साइड फाइंड आउट करो, साइड से पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट करो. दैट पेरीमीटर जो भी आंसर मिला, दैट इज द इक्वल टू द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड. अब बोले हैं लेंथ इज ट्वाइस द ब्रेथ, तो ब्रेथ को x ले लो, लेंथ को 2x ले लो और पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला डालो, x को फाइंड आउट करो, फिर लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ फाइंड आउट करो, फिर एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल फाइंड आउट करो. ठीक है? दिस सम यू हैव टू डू 2 or 3 times continuously, then it will be perfect. Okay, then we'll move on to the next sum. It is the 8th sum, last sum of our worksheet 3, sorry. So find the value of square root of 47089 and square root of 24336. So find out the square root side by side. अलग अलग find out करो पहले. Now it is 47089 ending with 9 means no 2. 3 से देखो, it is 11 19 20 28. no 5 नहीं होगा, डायरेक्टली 7 से जाएगा. ठीक है? 7 6 42, 5 remains. 7 7 49, 1 remains. 7 2 14, 4 remains. 7 7 49. Again 7 9 63, 4 remains. 7 6 42. Now it is 7 1 7. Now 961 is the square of 31. 900 is of 30, so 961 is of 31. So 31 za. Okay. So 47089 can be written as 7 square into 31 square. That means square root of 47089 can be written as 7 into 31. That is 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So you got 217. Now find out 24336. It is an even number, so 2. 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 remains. 2 6s are 12, 1 remains. 2 8s are 16. Even, put 2. 2 6s are 12, 1. Not possible, 0. Take that 1 to the next. 1 6 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Next again 2, 3s are 6, 0, 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 remains. 5s are 10, 2s are 2, 1 remains. 1s are 2. Now not with 2, with the 3, yes. 7, 8, 9. 3. 3 5s are 15. Now 2, no, not possible. Put 0. Take 2 to the next step. So 3 7s are 21. Now 5, 10, 12. Yes, 3 1s are 3. 2 remains. 6 are 18. 2 remains. 9s are 27. Now 169 you know. It is 13 13s are 13 ones. So 2 4 3 3 6 can be written as 2 square 2 times 3 square and 13 square. So square root of 2 4 3 3 6 can be written as 2 2s are 3s are 13. So it will be, when you multiply, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 4 3s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 12 1s are 12, 13, 14, 15. So you got 1 5 6. Now add square root of 4 7 0 8 9 plus square root of 2 4 3 3 6 is equal to, put the values, 217 plus 156. You got 6 plus 7 13, 1 6 7, 2 plus 1. So answer, square root of 47089 plus square root of 24336 is equal to 37. Hope everyone understood the two sums. We have completed worksheet 3 of squares and square roots. Hope everyone is confident of these topics, because in worksheet 4 we are going to the next topic, the long division method. Okay then, bye. Thank you for watching the video.